Before you begin, remove the card reader tray, end cap, display panel assembly, and chassis. Removal. Remove the 1.4 mm P000 Phillips head screw that secures the rear-facing webcam cable bracket to the system board. Remove the rear-facing webcam cable bracket. Carefully disconnect the rear-facing webcam ribbon cable from its connector on the system board. Carefully remove the rear-facing webcam from its cradle on the rear cover. Replacement. Place the rear-facing webcam into the cradle on the rear cover. Carefully connect the rear-facing webcam ribbon cable onto its connector on the system board. Replace the rear-facing webcam cable bracket. Replace the 1.4 mm P000 Phillips head screw that secures the rear-facing webcam cable bracket to the system board.